OBS showing rainbow bars, or wallpaper only when using a capture card. Head over to Display Settings. Scroll down to Advanced Display Settings. On your gaming PC, make sure your capture card is showing. Go back to the first page and click on your main display, aka the one you want to be capturing. Click on this box right here. If your main display is labeled number 1, you would want to press duplicate to your capture card. In my case, the capture card is number 2. Screen will go black. Wait and press Keep Changes. Your main screen and capture card should look like mine. Make your capture card and main screen resolution the same. Hertz does not have to be the same. Head over to your NVIDIA control panel. Then go to Adjust Desktop, Size and Position. Find and click your capture card. Make sure it's your main monitor's resolution. Hertz do not matter. If this helped, I would appreciate it if you would follow me on Twitch. Link in description.